Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno15 FS and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and right here we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's scroll and find device unlock and go to face and fingerprint unlock. Tap on fingerprint, enter your screen lock to confirm, and here we've got the reminder about the screen protector. So basically, if you're using one, it might affect the fingerprint recognition, the fingerprint sensor, because it is located under the screen. So a tip, just put the screen protector and then add your fingerprint, so it will increase the reliability of the fingerprint sensor. But of course be aware, because sometimes different screen protectors might interfere and they won't be compatible with the screen with the fingerprint recognition. All right, so just tap on add. Now here we've got our sensor, so let me put my finger on it, and now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition, of course. All right, great. Just tap on done. And this is our fingerprint section. This is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it. Add another fingerprint if you wish. Here we can decide for what we want to use our fingerprint for. So screen unlock, app lock, hide apps, or data protection. And here we've got the quick launch. So basically you can touch and hold the fingerprint sensor until icons appear. It's up to you whether you want to use it. Fingerprint animation. So here you can customize the fingerprint. Just tap on the specific option and it will be applied, and you can decide whether you want to show the fingerprint icon when the screen is off. Alright, so now let me lock the device and check if it is working. So here we've got our sensor, so let me put my finger on it, and as you can see the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.